Hola clase, this is Señora Plester. We're starting a new chapter, capítulo 7a, Cuánto cuesta? How much does it cost? We're doing part 1, Vocabulario, week 13. So before we begin, let's talk about el dinero de Bolivia, Peru, and Costa Rica. They're very different. Latin American countries have special names for their national currency or money and use different symbols. In Bolivia, the official money is the boliviano. El nuevo sol is the official money of Peru. And the money of Costa Rica is called the colón. And they have a symbol that looks like a C with a line through it to note the quantity. For example, this symbol, 100, signifies 100 colones. In Latin America, they use the word centimo or cent for the cents. And the images on their bill represent cultural and historical important things for each country. So like Bolivars have Simón Bolívar on the currency. So chapter objectives, what are we learning in this chapter? In this chapter in Spanish, you'll be able to listen to and read conversations about clothes and shopping, talk or write about shopping plans and gifts, and exchange information while purchasing an item of clothing. So here are some of the things that we're going to be learning. La tienda de ropa, the clothing store, right? We have el traje, la camisa, la chaqueta, los pantalones, los zapatos, los calcetines. We have here las botas, el vestido, el abrigo, los pantalones cortos, la gorra, la camiseta, la blusa, la falda, el abrigo, los jeans, el traje de baño, el suéter, la sudadera. We'll also be talking about currencies, money. Pesos, like the Mexican pesos, 20 Mexican pesos equals $1 US. So the prices can get up into the hundreds really quickly when you're talking about articles of clothing in Spanish-speaking countries. So we'll learn how to say all the way up to 1,000. All right, so let's start with the vocabulario. So you can pause the video and start writing these words, and then we'll go through how to say them together. All right, to talk about shopping. Buscar. Comprar. El dependiente. La dependienta. ¿En qué puedo servirle? Entrar. La tienda de ropa. To talk about clothing. El abrigo, la blusa, las botas, los calcetines, la camisa, la camiseta, la chaqueta, la falda, la gorra, los jeans, los zapatos, los pantalones cortos, la sudadera, el suéter, el traje de baño, el vestido, los zapatos. ¿Cómo me quedan? ¿Cómo te quedan? ¿Me quedan bien? ¿Me quedan mal? ¿Te quedan bien? ¿Te quedan mal? Llevar, nuevo. To talk about prices. ¿Cuánto cuesta? ¿Cuánto cuestan? Costar, el precio. Tanto, 200, 200, 300, 300, 400, 400, 500, 500, 600, 600, 700, 700, 800, 800, 900, 900, 1000. To indicate if someone is correct. Tener razón. To indicate specific items. Los dos, las dos, este, esta, estos, estas, ese, esa, esos, esas, and other useful words. Quizás, perdón, vamos. All right, and let's continue on to the numbers on the next slides. So, los números 0 a 29. You must write all of these down. Even though you did learn them first semester, you must remember them for this chapter. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Notice 11 through 15 all end in se, right? And look similar to like dos, doce, tres, trece. The ones that really look different are uno to once and cinco to quince. 16 through 19 all share DSC, 10 and, right? 10 and 6 is 16. DSC 6. DSC 7, 18, 19. And then 20 through 29 all share the same as well. Vein, like the vein in your arm. 21, 22, 23. So they all start with 20 and then the number. All right, continued. Numbers 30 through 100. As we get to 30 and you want to say 31, it becomes 3 words now instead of just 1 word. 30, 31, 32. So 30 and 1, 30 and 2, 33, 30 and 3. Then we go up to 40, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So if I wanted to say 90 and 9, I would say 90 y 9, right? And now we go up into the hundreds. So once we hit 100, it's 100, but once it's 101, it becomes 101, 102, and then the numbers follow after that. 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000, 2000, 1,000,000. So use uno when counting. Uno changes to un before a masculine noun and una before a feminine noun. So $21. Dólares is masculine, so 21 becomes 21. Faldas, skirts, are feminine. 21 becomes 21 in front of the skirts. And finally, ciento is used with both masculine and female nouns, but 200, 300, and so on agree with the noun they modify. 1000 does not change. So we have $100, 100 personas. $102, 102 personas. But this changes here. $200, 200 personas. Once we get to the 200, 300, 400, if it's in front of a female noun, the number itself must become. All right, so let's see if you can understand this conversation. The guy here is looking for new clothing and he speaks to an online shopping assistant.
Necesito ropa nueva para la fiesta. Voy a buscar aquí en esta. Necesito ropa nueva para la fiesta. Voy a buscar aquí en esta tienda de ropa en línea. Quizás tienen ropa bonita.
Tienda de ropa, el armario grande. Buenas tardes, soy Juani, la dependienta. ¿En qué puedo servirle?
Busco unos jeans y una camisa.
¿Prefiere usted ropa deportiva o elegante?
Pienso comprar ropa para una fiesta.
Entonces, ¿no quiere unos pantalones?
Right, so he says, I need
Son
new
más
clothing for a party.
elegantes.
I'm going to look for it in this clothing
Sí,
store online.
me
Perhaps they
encantan
have
los
pretty
pantalones,
clothes.
pero también
So she says, good
necesito
afternoon,
jeans.
I'm Wani, the
Mejor compro
clerk.
los dos.
How can I help you? I'm
¿Cuánto
looking for some
cuestan?
jeans and a shirt. Would you prefer some sporty clothes or elegant? Because I'm thinking about buying clothes for a party. So, well then, wouldn't you want some pants? They are more elegant. Yes, I love pants, but I also need jeans. Better that I buy the two of them. How much do they cost? All right, so let's see what happens when he gets the pants.
¿Cómo me queda esta camisa? Te queda bien. Me gusta.
So he asks, so how does this shirt fit me? It fits you well. I like it.
Solo cuesta 200
Well, it doesn't cost a
pesos.
lot of money. It only costs 200 pesos, which I'd said in Mexico, 20 pesos is about $1 US, so it's about 20 bucks. Tienes razón, you're right. Y puedes llevar la camisa con tus zapatos marrones. And you can wear the shirt with your brown shoes. All right, and let's see Lisa and Marcela talk about the things that they want to buy.
Lisa y Marcela hablan sobre las cosas que quieren comprar.
Marcela, ¿quieres ir de compras? Sí. Hace frío y necesito un abrigo o una chaqueta. En Abrigos 1000 tienen abrigos a buen precio y de todos los colores. Esa tienda es muy cara. También quiero un vestido nuevo. Tengo uno, pero me queda mal. No, te queda perfecto. ¿Quieres comprar unas botas? ¿Te gustan estas botas negras aquí? ¿O esos zapatos rojos allí? Me gustan las botas y los zapatos.
So Lisa and Marcela talk about the things they want to buy. So Marcela says, do you want to go shopping? Yes, it's cold and I need a coat or a jacket. In 1,000 coats, they have coats for a good price and of every color. That store is very expensive. I also want a new dress. I have one, but it fits me poorly. No, it fits you perfectly. You want to buy some boots? Do you like these black boots here or those red shoes over there? I like the boots and the shoes, but they cost a lot of money. Next to my house, there's a store where the shoes don't cost a lot. Great. When can we go? All right, and let's see if you can understand these two conversations. So, how may I help you, sir? I would like to buy a new shirt. Of what color? I'm looking for a
¿En qué
white
puedo
shirt.
servirle, señor?
Me gustaría comprar una camisa nueva.
¿De qué color?
Estoy buscando una camisa blanca.
Does the suit fit me well? What do you think? It fits you well. How handsome you are. All right, go to clever.com and click on the Pearson Realize app to enter your online textbook Auténtico and complete the following activities. Do the assigned activities 1 and 2, and proceed to the online textbook and take the final assessments for this section. Instant check Chapter 7A, Vocabulario en Contexto, and Prueba Capítulo 7A, Vocabulary Recognition. All right, good luck.